With Visual Components OLP, we can continue the production without interruption. It's twice faster to use Visual Components OLP.
Ponsse develops and manufactures sustainable and innovative harvesting solutions. Our batch size is 1, and we produce all the machines through the same process and then through the same assembly line. Ponsse machines are fully modular, and we configure the machine according to customer needs to get the product structure. We have been using robots since 80s, but the number of robots has increased rapidly after the year 2005.
As the production increased, the hand programming became impossible. The programming with teach pendant is very slow. It's easier to program at the office than on site with teach pendant.
Offline programming is used in the design phase in collaboration with the designers, manufacturing engineers, and production operators. And all the new frames are checked with the Visual Components software. We assure that the weldability is okay in the frames, and even before we order the plates and start producing the new frame. And this way we have avoided a lot of errors and improve the quality of the products. When we have a possibility to build a new line or cell, we first do the simulation model, and through various concepts we decide the best manufacturing solutions in our production. When we have ordered a new robot system, we first build this kind of simulation model that we can use for programming, and we do all the programs before the machine itself has arrived in our factory. And after the installation of the new robot cell, we do the model calibration. After that, we touch up the programs and upload them to the robot controller.
We started offline programming in 2007 with Delphi company. Now we're using the Visual Components OLP with every station. Visual Components OLP helps to design the robot station and simulate the process.